What is the dental department? The dental department is a medical department where diseases and problems related to the teeth, gums, mouth, jaw, and oral cavity are treated. This department is very important for maintaining good oral health. What diseases are treated in the dental department? Toothache, dental caries, cavities, bleeding gums, bad breath, crooked or misaligned teeth, broken or missing teeth, yellow or stained teeth, wisdom tooth problems, mouth infections, jaw problems. What treatments are done in the dental department? Basic treatments, teeth cleaning scale, polishing, dental filling, advanced treatments, root canal treatment, RCT, crown and bridge, dentures, artificial teeth, braces, aligners, tooth extraction, teeth whitening, dental implants, machines and instruments used in the dental department, main machines, dental chair, for seating the patient, dental light, to see inside the mouth, x-ray machine, for internal examination of teeth, scaler machine, for cleaning teeth, suction machine, to remove water and saliva, autoclave machine, to sterilize instruments, dental handpiece, to remove cavities. Who works in the dental department? Dentist, dental surgeon, dental assistant, dental hygienist, dental technician. Why is the dental department important? Maintains good oral health, provides pain relief, improves smile appearance, helps in proper chewing of food, prevents infections, dental care tips, short points, perfect for videos, brush your teeth twice a day, avoid eating too much sugar, visit the dentist every 6 months, maintain good oral hygiene, do not ignore tooth